What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to contact Roblox support and make support ticket. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Roblox application, and once you are there, tap here on three dots icon, and in that page scroll down to the bottom and tap on help. Now there you can read some articles, some frequently asked questions, but you need to create support ticket, and to be able to do that, scroll to the very bottom and tap on contact us. Now you need to know some important things that you need to provide as much information as possible, such as username, specific details about your question or issue, and so on. So your information must be as full as possible, and that would be helpful for support team. So now to make a support ticket, tap there on support form right there. And now you are redirected to web browser. You need to go through login process right there, and after that you need to fill in all that fields like username, first name, email address, confirmation of email address, and issue details such as your device. You can select the device you got problem with, like PC, and their type of help category like moderation or Roblox toys or exploit reports, and there select subcategory. And now your description of issue. As you remember, you need to write it as full as possible, so the more information the better. And once you're done with all that fields, you need to tap here on submit button, and after that support ticket will be created. That's how it works. Hope this video helped you out, guys. So before you go, please like and subscribe.